Welcome back to another Joyride vlog. We recently flew out to Texas to go team up with Hot Pursuit Dream Car Giveaway, and we're giving away this 800 horsepower 2015 highly modified Mustang. All you need to do to win is head over to Hot Pursuit's website, pick up some cool merch. Every $1 spent on their site gets you 1 entry to win the car, but you gotta use the code JOYRIDE because that'll save you an extra 10%. And you still get all your entries because it's based off the total before the discount. So don't miss out on your chance to win. But I got this car for the next 2 days, so let's vlog. Dude, this thing sounds so good.
It's actually airing up on its own.
You can smell the E85.
Oh yeah.
This is the fun part. We get to hang out with this car. Pretty much, we get to have it for a whole day, and then we give it back to Chad tomorrow.
One thing left though.
What?
Still, we'll get you guys a burnout.
We can't forget about the burnout. We're gonna hit up a meet tonight with the guys. Or Mustangs of Houston at the Mustang Bombshell meet. I probably got that all wrong, but please forgive me for that. So we're gonna go do that. I posted it on my Instagram. Hopefully we'll get people's reactions and actually see what people think of this, and we'll let them know that we're going to give it away and see what they say. So right now we need food, coffee. What else do we need? That's pretty much it.
Yeah, food and coffee.
And then, like, right now, this is the fun part. We already did all of our filming and all the hard part. Now we get to drive this car that somebody else is going to get. Whoever gets this car, this is going to change their life. It would be definitely a big life changer. Let's try not to stall. I feel better now. Oh, you're recording all this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I talk to myself even when I'm off camera.
Hold on, let me air it up over this.
Yeah, air it. Yeah, this.
There's a big hump right in front of us, so we're trying not to scrape. We're gonna go ahead and air it up here. Oh, there it kicked in.
Yeah. What's cool about this controller, so whoever ends up getting this car, if you tap each button once, it tells you what each setting is for each wheel. If you tap it twice, it goes to that setting.
Yeah, so if you hit that, you'll see that's the normal driving height. That's pretty good. There's a complete aired out there, and then all the way up for, you know, speed bumps, big humps where you don't want to scrape. So here at the
Yeah, you go ahead.
gas station at Sunoco, gonna get some E85, put some corn up in here.
Is there a gas pop thing, or is it just, what does it do? I don't know. Never mind. I figured it out. Look at that, man.
Yeah.
Where's the gas cap?
There's none.
Yeah, so now we got a full tank of E85. It's like $21. I wish our fuel was that cheap. So I went into the gas station. You won't believe what the girl recommended. Texas Roadhouse. I asked her, what did she recommend?
Really?
Yes, she recommended Texas Roadhouse.
Okay,
she was
now.
Yeah, she's a big old girl.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought it was my sister, and I was like, when did you get to Texas and get a job at the gas station? It's El Bache or something. It's a Spanish restaurant.
Oh, there's a truck on it.
Yeah, you better pay attention. Learn to drive. And we had to do some Starbucks.
It's a JD custom.
I've got Sean hooked on to my drink. There's a few people that have messaged me and asked me, it's like, what's that drink that you get? Think of it.
I like it.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? So this is gonna be my first time doing a burnout in this. Traction control. gets this car, there will be brand new tires put back on it. So no need to worry about that. So it can do a burnout. That was fun.
I know it feels like the night's getting longer.
Did you hear that pop? Under the bridge, you gotta do this. Holy shit. I'm falling in love with this car.
I promise I'll always be there. I'll remind you when you close your eyes.
What's going on?
Anyone hosting to me? I'm Jaden.
Jaden, what's up, JD? Dude, thanks for the invite, man. Where should I park?
You can either park behind the 10 S550 right here because the Suburban's about to move. So just make a loop around.
For me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out.
Over here, check him out. He also does YouTube videos.
Yeah.
And you just got a GT car. How long have you had it? I'm saying just got it.
Like
but
9 months now.
has it been 9 months?
It's still fresh. It's still
fresh. It's still new. So after a year, then you can say it's over.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
Yeah, it's already full bolt on 85 cams. It's kind of crazy.
How much power are you making?
800. Let's say 800 flat, 800 flat.
To the tires?
To the tire.
He needs the BMP Gen 3.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm telling you.
I need to build that motor first.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's good.
So happy, Andrew. Sorry, Andrew. I had
So this is my first time in Houston. This is my first time at this meet. Have you been to this one before?
I came here a long time ago. We came a long time ago. Remember the box?
This is a pretty good turnout. And I don't know if you guys have ever been in here, but the uniforms are actually pretty nice.
Oh,
too.
they're very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. A lot of lovely people there. Lovely ladies. We're about to go in there right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in there and grab a bite too.
Yes,
too.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Cool.
All right, dude.
Hell yeah, bro. I'll see you right. Come on, right here. Shelby right there.
You find everything in Houston. This guy has a Ford Lightning. Apparently, I think there were only 2 of these ever made. This black one and then a red one. This one is number 2. So I'm guessing the red one was number 1. But this thing is pretty nasty. Oh, it's got a Roush on it. Dude, that's pretty sick. Look at this. It's got the SVT on the headrest. It reminds me a lot of the original Ford Lightning. I want to say like the early 2000s Ford Lightning. That's not the original one. There was an older one, but the cool one that everybody likes. You drove 3 hours.
Yeah,
Can I tell everybody you drove 3 hours just to come see me?
Yes,
All
you
right.
can.
Yeah.
That was the reason why.
Is it really? Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm sitting here like trying to make myself feel good, and you really did. All right.
Oh, yeah.
So I just showed him the giveaway car. What's your first thoughts?
Holy cow.
You haven't even walked around and looked underneath the hood. You literally just walked up and seen the back of it.
Yes.
Let's just walk up here. Dude.
Oh my god.
Isn't that nice?
Is that the mammoth from Kenne?
Yeah. You have a Mustang or?
I do.
You do? What do you got?
Little 14 manual V6.
Well, you know what? You could possibly win this.
It would be an absolute dream to win this.
Yeah, it definitely would be a life changer, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Yes, this would sit in the garage and I'd have my daily and take us out on the weekends.
Right.
And definitely kick
Yes. Look at this jacket, dude. Look at that. All right, how much you want for it? What size is that thing? I'm gonna.
We should be pretty close in size, man.
Yeah, it'll fit, dude. It'll fit.
Take 50 bucks for it. Cash
50 bucks.
Right now.
Right now.
$50.
I got more jackets.
You gonna buy that jacket?
Yeah, dude.
You're gonna take the jacket off his back.
It can't come with the car wash tokens though.
You distracted me. You messed me up, man. I'm gonna have to edit this to make it look like I know how to count my money. 45.
You're short.
I'm short.
You're
dude.
short.
I'm
He's
short
gonna
by
take the
$4.
Ford emblem off of it.
46, 47. Short by what? $3?
You take PayPal?
He ain't gonna do it. He's not gonna do it.
48.
Short by $2.
Oh, you know what? Actually, I have $2 in quarters.
Hold on.
How many quarters you got there?
Too many from the car wash.
I think we're there, dude.
I think that's it right there.
Look at that.
Make sure it fits. Try it on.
Well, we gotta make sure it fits, right?
Should. Oh yeah.
How do you think?
Dude, that is snazzy.
Wow.
50 bucks right there. Is that messed up to buy like somebody's jacket off of them?
Hey, but it's good content.
Make sure you ain't got anything in this car. I'll find like $100 bill in there.
Oh, you took my car.
What? You better take those. If you don't use those, it might cost you more than 50 bucks.
Hey, you too, man. Take care. Keep running into subscribers. What's your name?
DJ.
DJ.
Houston, Texas.
You're just spelling my name backwards.
Exactly.
Yeah, there you go. So what's your favorite videos out of all the videos on the channel?
C10 right now.
See, you guys hear that? C10, hold up, you're a Mustang guy though, right?
I am a Mustang guy.
See, he likes the C10 videos, so.
C10.
C10 videos.
It's not the same, but I'm still behind you. Every step of the
We gotta go grab some food. I'm hungry now, and we're gonna check out the restaurant, see what it's about. Ooh.
Forgetting, knowing whenever in doubt. You can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out.
Thanks so much for the
Hey,
invite.
anytime,
Thanks
man.
for looking out.
Anytime. How long
Guys.
y'all gonna be in town?
We are heading out Tuesday. So we'll be here all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's
Okay.
pretty much a free day. We're gonna
Okay.
go find something to get into.
All right.
And then we head out Tuesday, but we're gonna plug your Instagram in there. So if anybody's in the Houston area, check this guy out. You put this meet on what? How often? Is it once a week?
I
or-
put it about once a month.
Oh, once a
February 9th, I'm doing a Galveston cruise.
His Instagram will be right here. Check him out. But this is the man right here. If you're ever in Houston and you want to do some Mustangs, right?
Yeah.
Dude, thanks for the invite. Good looking
anytime,
out.
man, anytime.
Everybody so far that I've met here in Houston has been super nice. Everybody's been really cool. We got to meet a lot of you guys there at the meet. I know I didn't get to include everybody that we met in the video. The meet was definitely an awesome turnout. A lot of Mustangs, a lot of people are out there. This car, for one, was a huge hit. It grabbed the attention of a lot of people. Heading back to the hotel, so we're pretty much gonna call this a wrap. So don't forget, head over to the link in the description. That'll take you over to Hot Pursuit Dream Car Giveaway. Anything you purchase from that site, every dollar spent gets you one entry. And don't forget to use code Joyride, and that'll save you 10%. Pick up, use some cool merch, kinds of apparel, keychains. They've got over 70 items on their website. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're having a blast here in Houston, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.